23 is a little more complicated. I think this is the process we're going to use. First, we set the density equal to 0. The only way that could be 0 is if the 2 minus r is equal to 0, which makes r equal to 2. So that's number A. B is a little more complicated. We have a band around the center of the circle of the city, radius r. They're kind of taking this whole area, cutting along one place and spreading it out and calling it about a rectangle. So if it was a rectangle, the circumference would be the length of this rectangle, the circumference being 2 pi times the radius. But this delta r right here is actually the radius in our problem. So it would be 2 pi times r times delta r being the height of that rectangle. So I think this is what they're trying to have you do. Find the area of this rectangle, which would be the circumference times the radius, delta r. The last part, density times area gives you the population. So I take the density times the area, and the area was 2 pi r. The delta r here becomes dr in the integral. So I'm going to integrate from 0 to 2, and I'm going to do that again using the buttons on the calculator, giving me 83,776.